Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the common ECONNREFUSED error you might see in MongoDB Compass. This error often shows up when Compass can't connect to the MongoDB server, and we're going to tackle a couple of solutions to get you back on track. Today, I'll walk you through two quick troubleshooting methods. First, we'll check if the MongoDB service is running on your computer. If that doesn't work, we'll move to check if the firewall is blocking the connection. Alright, let's dive into the first solution, making sure the MongoDB service is actually running. This is one of the most common reasons you'll see an ECONNREFUSED error in Compass. Step 1. Access the Windows services. On your keyboard, press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type in services.msc and hit Enter. This will open the services window. Scroll down until you find MongoDB, or sometimes it might appear as MongoDB Server. If you see that the service status is stopped, right-click on it and choose Start. Once the service is running, go back to MongoDB Compass and try reconnecting to see if the issue is resolved. So as you can see, the connection is now restored. If MongoDB Compass connects now without errors, that's great. The problem was that MongoDB server service wasn't running in the background, which is required for Compass to connect. If the error is still there, there's a chance your firewall might be blocking MongoDB's connection. Let's configure the firewall to allow MongoDB through. To get started, open the Windows Start menu, and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Once in Firewall Settings, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall on the left sidebar. In the list, look for MongoDB or MongoDB Server. If it's not listed, you might need to manually add it. As you can see, Me2 isn't listed. Let's create the rule. Step 1. Go to Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and select Inbound Rules. Create a new rule. Click on New Rule on the right side. Choose the rule type. Select port and click Next. MongoDB typically uses port 27017 by default, so this will allow traffic through that port. Specify the port. Choose TCP and enter 27017 in the specific local ports box, then click Next. Allow the connection. Choose Allow the connection and click Next. Apply the rule to network profiles. Check domain, private, and public, then click Next. Name the rule. Name it something like MongoDB Inbound Rule and click Finish. After this, MongoDB should be accessible from MongoDB Compass. Let me know if it works. Now, go back to MongoDB Compass and try to connect again. If the connection works, the firewall was blocking your access. That's it for today. With these two solutions, you should be able to fix the error in MongoDB Compass by ensuring the MongoDB service is running and adjusting any firewall settings. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and consider subscribing for more tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.